In this box, I have a handbag from Coach. We're going to unbox it and do the usual things. This bag is an artist collaboration piece. If you watch my channel, you know how much I love artist collaboration handbags. So let's get into this. Stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community posts on your YouTube homepage where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. Now, this bag that's in this box was definitely a fear of missing out purchase. I had wanted a bag from this collection. The bag that I wanted was not released in the United States, and I still want that bag. This bag, I don't remember them even dropping this bag in the United States when the collection first came out. So I don't know if I just don't remember it or if it wasn't there, because I feel like I would have considered this bag if it was there. I'm not sure. When I saw this, it was on sale and there were only 9 left, and I figured it would probably sell out pretty quickly. And it did. So I snagged one. Now, I've never seen a bag with the print that this has in person. I think I will love the print. I'm not sure I'll love the style of the bag. So we'll see, because I had a similar style bag before that I returned. This may go back for the same reason, but you know, you have to see things in person sometimes and put your stuff in it and see what you think before you can make a decision. And this is not something I would have been able to go to a store and see in person. So I'm gonna cut into the box, and I did ask for gift wrapping, so that should be in here. Coach has really nice gift wrapping. I always ask for gift wrapping when I get something from the Coach boutique, which is where this was. And this is a boutique bag, it's not from the outlet. So they've wrapped it in the brown paper with their little Coach, Stagecoach sticker. And then we open up the paper and see the box inside. The box, why did I say it Englishy? The box. Coach card, thank you for shopping at Coach. It has little tissue paper pillows around it to keep the box from shifting around too much. Louis Vuitton doesn't do that. Coach receipt, let's look at that and see what I paid for it. Well, what I paid for it is, it wasn't printed well in it, I can't read it. So I'm gonna have to look it up for you and let you know. Let me do that now. All right, I found it. Retail on the bag was $500, and they had it on sale for $350 in the sale section. I will have the Coach sale section linked below in case there's anything you're interested in. I will also have the Coach outlet, Coach reserve section linked below. If you don't know the reserve section on the Coach outlet, those are bags from the boutique that have gone to the outlet and they're on sale there. You can get some really great deals on boutique bags. And often there are other department store websites that have sales on Coach. So if any of that is going on, I will link those below too. Here is the lovely wrapping. They do this up really nice. The bow's very pretty. Just undo that and destroy it. I am really excited to see this, even though I'm not sure about the style of the bag, because I really love what the artist did. Oh, inside the box, I should show you this as part of the unboxing. They have it wrapped very nicely in a few layers of tissue paper with another Stagecoach stamp. And behind the tissue paper, we reveal the bag. Let me get it out and get some of the wrapping off of it so you'll be able to see it better. I'll tell you right out of the box, first impressions, the quality of this bag is excellent. It feels very sturdy and well done. Here we go, let's give it a spin. This is the Coach Beat saddle bag from the Michael something Jordan, what is his name? Michael something Jordan collection, but he's not the artist. The artist is named Blue, and you can see what he's done with the CCs there. Michael B. Jordan, that's it. You can see what he's done with the CCs. One of the things he does in his work is wrap things in cloth, and then in some of his drawings, paintings, he makes things look like they're wrapped in cloth. So I've always thought this kind of looked like cracked stone and aged, weathered, but maybe it's supposed to be wrapped. I do have a piece from this collection, some of you may remember, and it's this Rexy bag charm, and you can see Rexy is wrapped up and mummified, and the back of that is green. A lot of people don't seem to know that Blue is the artist on these, because Coach released this as part of the Michael B. Jordan collection. For some reason, didn't really mention the artist, and I find that strange and disturbing. I'm disappointed in Coach for doing that, because they do a lot of artist collaborations, like Louis Vuitton does. By the way, if you're interested in artist collaborations, I have 2 videos on that. One of them is my artist collaboration collection. The other is my 5 favorite and least favorite artist collaborations, and that video is a collaboration with Lumi Level Up. So I will put her video and my 2 videos in the description box below so you can learn more about artist collaborations. So I think what I'll do, this comes with a luggage tag that's red, and red's not my color. I don't really care for that. So I think what I'll do is put my bag charm from this collection on that bag instead. And personally, I like that a lot better. And I may leave that on, I may take it off. That's a little Christmassy, I'm taking it off. Let's take it off now. I've never been a fan of these hang tags on the Coach bags anyway. I said that I was not sure about the style of this bag. I'm still not until I put my things in it. However, seeing this in person, I'm really impressed with the quality of it. And I just love this print so much. And based on the photos online, I wasn't sure how well the black trim would go with the brown design, but the brown does have black in it. It has outlines around the C's, and in person it blends well together, much better than it looked to me in the photos online. So at this point I'm thinking about keeping this bag, but we still need to do the wet fits. Let's take this bag charm off for right now, just so it's not flopping around, and let's give you a little overview of the bag. So on the front we have the C clasp buckle thing there. The bag opens with a magnetic snap, and you can see inside. The back, thank you Coach, has a big pocket that's the size of the back of the bag. Will my phone fit? I don't know. It's plugged into a charger in the other room. I'll go get it in a minute. On some of the tabby bags that have a flap, they're flap bags, and they have the snap closure, they don't have this 3D, can you see how thick that is? It's maybe 1/4 of an inch thick trim around the edge, and it makes the flap on those to me feel kind of thin and a bit cheap. I haven't been impressed with those. I have one tabby bag that does have this trim, and I think it makes a world of difference, and I'm glad that this bag has it. That's really nice too. By the way, the snap is very strong on this, but it's not difficult and it doesn't feel like it would damage the bag. It's a nice closure. I like the gunmetal hardware on this too. It's a good combination. You can see on the side of the bag there's one main compartment, and then there's also this little compartment up front that is separate, so you can kind of pull that apart. And that's lined in black leather. Now when we open the bag, get all the stuffing out. When we open the bag, you can see that it has that one big compartment, and then it has the one slip pocket up front. That would be a great place to put your card holder, and you can put all your other stuff in the middle there. I did a collaboration also with Styled by Gwenny, where we talked about luxury bags versus contemporary bags, and if you have luxury bags, do you still buy or wear contemporary bags? And I talked about how the quality can be the same sometimes between contemporary bags and luxury brands. This is a great example of that. The quality of this bag is definitely the same quality as a lot of luxury bags that I have seen. There's nothing about this that's cheap. It is very well done. The leather trim is thick everywhere. These little pieces on the side, these pieces on the strap. The hardware is beautiful. The bag is a coated canvas, and it's nice like Louis Vuitton coated canvas is. Let's do a couple of mod shots and then see what fits. The strap that came with the bag is one of those seatbelt kind of straps. Has a nice leather piece here, gunmetal hardware. This one is black with dark red, like maroon stripes on it, and it is adjustable. Here's how it looks on my shoulder at the length that it arrived in the package. And that length, I was thinking I would have to adjust it, but actually that length is perfect for crossbody, which is how I would wear this. Okay, pending the wet fits, this bag has to stay in my collection. I love it. I was really expecting to be sending it back. I'm very, very happy with it. Really impressed. I'm gonna take this strap off as much as it will let me because it's attached right here. And I have this strap, leather and chain, and it has gunmetal hardware. It's not quite the same. It's more of a silvery. It's a little more shiny. It has a little Rexy charm hanging from the bottom of the chain. The hardware is definitely close enough to match. Let me show you. There's the little Rexy charm right there. And then there's the hardware. You're not going to be able to tell a difference, but that's how it would look with that chain or that strap. I think it's fantastic on my shoulder, or this would be great crossbody as well. This strap is very slightly adjustable, and I have it on the longest length. And if this strap is still available, I'm not sure it is, but if it is, I will link it below for you. The only thing I would say this bag is missing is some kind of top handle strap. It'd be nice if it had a short black strap with the gunmetal hardware. I don't think I have one of those, surprisingly. So I'm gonna take this little chain from my Dress Up Your Purse collection and see how that looks. That's a little weird. The length is a little short, and of course this bag has no gold on it, but it's not horrible, and that would be good as a top handle. I really like it when there's a top handle where I can grab the bag quickly and not have to grab two sides of the strap and make sure I'm at the bottom of the strap so I can get it close to me like this. Usually it's in the car when I'm doing that, when I have the bag on the seat beside me and I'm going to get out and I want to grab my bag real quick without grabbing the end and then it's sliding everywhere and knocking into things and who knows what's happening. Now let's see what fits in this, or more precisely, how things fit. My only real problem with this bag, but well, besides the not having the short handle, is that the bottom curves. Now in this bag, it doesn't look that bad. The bottom's almost flat across the bottom and it just has curved corners. But I had the outlet version of this bag, the Georgie bag, and I had trouble fitting things in it. It's been a while since I had that. I feel like maybe it was a little smaller than this bag. I could be wrong, but I'm hopeful that things are gonna fit better in here, but the curved bottom things just don't sit right. So let's find out. Today I'm carrying my Rebecca Minkoff Edie, which also does not have a short strap, nylon bag. And I love this bag so much. I know there are a lot of negative reviews of it on YouTube, but I love it so much I'm about to buy another one in another color. I love the magnet closure that's so easy. It doesn't have a snap, you let go and it's done. I'm gonna pull my stuff out of here and put it in that Beat saddlebag. And I don't have much in here. This bag isn't full of things. Size comparison for you, the mini pochette with the saddlebag. Also, I suppose if I was a decent YouTuber doing my job, I would give you some basic measurements. The widest part on the bottom of the bag here is 9 inches. The most narrow part is 7 3/4 on the top, 7 1/4 inches tall, and the depth is different. It's wider at the bottom and thinner at the top. So in that main compartment, it's about 2 1/4 inches deep, and at the very top, it's about 1 1/2 inches deep. That could be a problem too. Bags that taper in on the sides tend to get on my nerves. Mini pochette. I'm gonna stand that up and see if I can get my Agenda PM next to it. I can. Fabulous. Doesn't leave room for much else. I don't think I'd be able to fit my Chanel flap card holder in there, but what I could do is take one of the flat card holders and slip that right into the front pocket. Oh, there is also a zipped pocket on the back. I could put a card holder in there. That would definitely fit. My phone in the back. You could fit a few more flat things in here, but that's pretty much the capacity. My phone, iPhone 10, does fit in the back, so perfect. That carries everything I need to carry. I could still get keys in there too. Excellent. All right, I got my scissors. I'm gonna do the official snip so I can remove this strap. I'll carry it today with this strap with the chain. It's more weatherproof than that cloth strap, which was not coated. And I'm gonna add my bag charm. It does have a little D-ring right there in addition to the one on the top for the strap, and that's where the little hang tag goes. The hang tag, by the way, says Coach X Michael B. Jordan, but I'm gonna have Rexy there. I think if I sent this bag back, I would regret it. I'm definitely going to keep it, and I'm going to carry it today. Or will I carry my nylon one? Because this is pretty weatherproof too. I don't know. The nylon one may hold more. I don't know. It doesn't matter. I'll figure it out later. This bag as a keeper is the point. So I'm glad I had the fear of missing out and snatched it up even though I wasn't sure about it. Sometimes I do that and I send things back, probably more often than not. Sometimes it works out beautifully. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, learned a little more about this collaboration between Coach and Blue, and a little more about the Beat bag. I appreciate you being here. Thank you. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.